Hi everyone. So in the past, we have been working on what is an opinion and what is a fact. So an opinion would be, I like this because. A fact would be something that is always true. So today we're going to be working on introducing how to write an opinion paragraph with sentence stems. So let me show you what this means. So in the past, we'd say, these are some facts about blank. So, and that was our informative paragraph. So when we open an opinion paragraph, we write, in my opinion, I think that blank. Okay. So let's say we're talking about the park. In my opinion, I think that the park is the best place to visit. Okay. Let's say we were talking about ice cream. In my opinion, I think that ice cream is the tastiest treat. Okay, so does that make sense? We're going to be identifying what we're talking about. So if I say I'm talking about parks, I'm not going to start talking about my friends. I'm going to talk about parks. So that is the first sentence. That's my opening. In my opinion, I think blank. Okay, the second think that blank. Okay, the second sentence is, I feel this way because. So when we're talking about your feelings, that's always an opinion, because some people might feel like cats are the best and some people will think dogs are the best, and that's okay because that's how you feel. So let's go back and say I'm talking about the park. In my opinion, I think that the park is the best place to visit. I feel this way because I love to go on the slides with my friends. Okay, so the next sentence is, I also think this because, and then you could say, I also think this because whenever I go to the park, I have a fun time. And then the closing is, that is why I think, and remember what were we talking about? The park. The park, and you can even just copy, if you see this right here, just copy that, the top part. I think that the park is the best place to visit. Okay, so what you'll notice is opening, the top is the opening, reason, opinion, closing. So you have one opening, two opinions, and one closing. So we're going to do a few more examples. Okay, so just like in the past, I'm trying to help you learn that. So this is my sentence stem. I'm going to put it in bold. I'm going to put this in bold. So you need to memorize these sentence stems. So there are only 4 to memorize, so I know you can continue to work on that. So really quickly, I'm going to erase this and let's do another example. I wish you were all here because then I'd be like, okay, what should we write about this time? So if I get rid of my reasons, this is my opinion paragraph. So this would be opinion, paragraph, sentence, stems. That means we're going to help you, but you have to fill in the rest. So I'm going to take it off bold on each of these because now we're going to write. So in my opinion, I think that, let's write about the weather. So in my opinion, I think that sunny weather is the best. So you don't need to tell why in the opening. You're just going to say what you think. You could even say it's the worst. So, but this time I'm talking about why I like it. In my opinion, I think that sunny weather is the best weather to have outside. Okay, I feel this way because. Now this is where we start telling our opinion. This is where we're going to tell why we like it. And don't forget, you always have to have because, as you see. I feel this way because. So you're going to say, I feel this way because, and you can pick any reason. Now, if I wrote, I feel this way because warm, is that a complete sentence? No, that doesn't even make sense. You have to have a complete sentence when you write. I feel this way because the sun is warm. I also think this because, so now this is not very long. So you could say the sun is warm and it makes flowers grow. I also think this because, so now you're giving one more reason why you think sunny weather is the best. So you'd say, I also think this because I love playing outside with my friends when it is sunny. Okay, so you've had your opening, 2 opinions, and now we need our closing. Friends, if you forget your closing, it's not a complete paragraph because you're sitting there waiting for the closing. Okay, then it says, that is why I like sunny. That is why I think that sunny weather is the best weather to have outside. So once again, you'll notice my opening and my closing are almost exactly the same. There's only a tiny bit of difference. In the first one, you're saying opinion, and then you're saying that is why. When you say that, you're referring to the 2 opinions. Okay, we're going to do one more, and then I'm going to let you write your own later on. Okay, so let's write about why ice cream is best. In my opinion, I think that ice cream tastes the best. No, that doesn't make sense. In my opinion, I think that ice cream is the best. Oh, okay. Dessert. Okay, so you're explaining you're going to talk about ice cream and it's a dessert. You wouldn't just say ice cream is the best. You need to tell me what it's the best of. So if I like cats, in my opinion, I think that cats are the best animal. I think that dogs are the best animal. I think the park is the best place to go visit. Okay, I feel this way because, so here's my first reason. It tastes delicious and has many flavors. Okay, so I could have just said it tastes delicious, but that's not really giving me a lot of detail. So when I say it tastes delicious and has many flavors, I'm explaining a little bit more why I really like it. Okay, here's the next one. I also think this because, so I'm going to give my second reason. Remember, you have to have 2. I also think this because it is a great treat to have when it is hot outside. And then your closing, you're going to look right up here at the very, very top. You're just going to plug that in. That is why I think that ice cream is the best dessert. Okay, I hope that makes a little more sense. Throughout this entire week, I will be helping you write an opinion paragraph. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye.